I did,
I've
yes.
been
I saw her like mascara.
Ethiopia.
You okay?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Please, I love you.
I love you too.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Still miss you. Still. Last time I see you, still miss you.
Which country you from? Ethiopia?
Ethiopia, yes. East Africa.
He's Ethiopian, Karim. Guys, first gift times 3.
Yeah. You want to take me? You want to marry me? I'm single.
I don't know. You have to marry me. You're the man. Gaff, thank you so much. Thank you, Gaff.
Listen, parang gara ulitin ka ba? Tani ang gift naman ako.
You have one of this for me?
Yes.
This one?
You have?
No, you have for me?
Yes.
This is for me?
Yes. Yes.
No, I want like big diamond, you know?
This is diamond.
No, this is green. I want
No green. This is camera. Real diamond. I give it for you.
Let me see. No. I check
What
it.
is
It's
your
not
problem?
diamond.
What
This is not diamond. It's very moldy.
Ethiopian diamond is very good. Like aqua color. You know aqua?
Aqua. It's 100%
Yes.
Bob. You like jellyfish?
Yes.
This is Bob.
It's very expensive, right?
Yeah.
I'm back for you.
For me.
Between.
But I want a new
Yes.
one. I don't want it from Depop. Have thank
Kailangan na
you.
bulitin. Kala siya siya man din kanang gabuse. Ama siya siya. Ama siya siya siya.
Go to go. Thank you.
Achin si bus.
As you can see, guys, I'm sure. What?
Aba buter ba guys? What a gift will.
Guys, 2 more roses for speed if you can. You small or tall?
I'm very tall. I'm very tall.
Really? Like 2 meters?
1.85 like Ronaldo.
Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo?
Yes, like Cristiano Ronaldo.
Is he tall? He looks quite.
Il
What's
panali
this-
mo brazo
you know
baka
this
dimele
thing?
Ronaldo baka dalitin dapat.
You know the thing in your hand? What is this? This one.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
This is kurta. Say kurta.
Kurta.
Yeah.
What
Saging
is
ba isa guys?
like this?
Kurta is a cultural stick.
Like
No
what?
golf. Like golf?
Yeah.
No. This is kurta.
Oh, it's so short.
Yes, very beautiful. In
What is it for?
Abichu ven kanu dem abichu abamala.
Nice
Saging
explanation.
ba isa guys? Giting kam nita ka-share mango nita ka-tap mango ni mati sa
Bob, you changed your picture. Why did you go green or something
What
for
is
sudden?
What you
Wait,
say?
Bob, was you always green?
Aya.
Wait, was Bob green? Why does his name look really different now? Hi.
What is people? What is
What is this for?
this one? This one is a cultural stick.
Oh, like a king or?
Yes, like king.
Oh,
Yeah, like king.
nice. You know, I'm a queen.
You are queen. I'm king. Married is very beautiful. Wedding, amazing people. Hele sidichisu.
How many people are going to invite?
Bella mando vezani ke ayate nya fude galche jisa. You are coming Ethiopia like this song.
Yeah, we do one in Ethiopia, one in London.
Jisa
You come to London first.
Sanikero.
The first one is going to be in Meridian Grand. You know Edmonton? The first one will be there. Make sure your phone's in your pocket because you come in London. You know, they're going to take your phone. Do you have a nice phone?
Oh, you live London?
Yeah. You know, in London, you walk in the street, they're going to go...
I think
Your
you
phone
are
is going to
Brighton.
disappear.
I think you are Brighton.
Oh, yeah.
Yes,
I said
yes,
London. No, I said
United.
London, but you said Brighton, so I said yeah.
Yo, I love Brighton, my store city. and the Liverpool, and the Manchester, and so on.
His wedding time.
Oh, I love England. What is people?
They'll take his
What is
wife.
people?
Gav, thank you so much. Thank you, Pav. SL,
Miskina na laligir.
what do we think of Tottenham? Shit. What do we think of shit?
Miskina na laligir. Sharing golden.
Guys, thank you. So, when are you coming, London?
I'm 3 years ago. I'm going to London.
Okay, but now you found me. You said you want to get married. So, next time, when you coming?
Next time I come Brighton
Okay, when are you coming, Brighton?
for you. I'm come for you next time.
When? Like, when?
Manjogit City?
No, like, tomorrow.
No.
You sleep, wake up, Brighton.
Yes.
Are you coming tomorrow?
No tomorrow.
Fumble your wife.
After 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Yes.
2 weeks is too long. Maybe I'll get married.
No, it's long.
That's too long. I've been waiting so many years, and you want me to wait another 2 weeks?
Because I have too much company. This Ethiopia, Brighton company. I'm coming after 2 weeks. Because
how many children do you have? But Pav, he's actually
tomorrow I'm going. Everybody stop my work. Because
how many babies you have?
Huh?
How many babies?
No.
How old are you? 25.
My years?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, he's 25.
Yes.
You know, you come to London. How are you coming here? Like this? Woo. Like this or like this?
Well,
gently down the... How are you going to come to London?
What is
Jet holiday. Like this? Or like this?
Oh no! Airplane.
Oh, airplane. Okay.
Yeah. It's a new truth in Eagle.
Pav, thank you.
Nanda yom dufta. Awa tafsira uno gurba gitara kana katabu.
If he's 25,
you have baby?
yeah,
Have you
too many. I have 6.
How much? Di kala na matim 6. Too much.
I want 4 more. Guys, thank you, guys.
Ababo ko dani center ba guys?
Guys, thank you.
I'm married you. Your children is disturbing me.
Why?
You love?
They're not going to disturb you. They're going to like you.
Very smart children. Very smart
funny.
children.
You're not going to disturb me. Oh my god.
OROMO gifting.
That's so funny. Pav, what the hell, Pav? Thank you so much, Pav.
Your
children are going to disturb me.
Ya Rabbi, kita na yung garala fist. Kasongo. What is Kasongo people?
Pav, thank you so much. Oh, did you change your picture to green? Why did I think it was yellow? Guys, am I bugging out? Was it green?
OROMO gifting kapdani, please.
Was it green? Was it always
OROMO.
green? Something looks different about Bob. Maybe he's, I don't know if it's the 20 badge, but I thought it was yellow before. Bob been green. Really? Green and mean, I'm fucking dead.
Wallahi. Aya, your family is very strong family.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, because you are too much support you. Strong
Thank you.
family.
You're so kind.
Yes, my family is very moral damage. Wallahi.
It's because I have 6 children, you know? very difficult.
Me are Roma surprise when I go to Malcolm. Parangi gubbat.
Yeah, maybe Bob, but I thought your B was like yellow before.
Oromo radalan inkab no makhabira. Uman no
Let's just leave.
kukule.
Put your head closer. Come closer. Let's, you know. Oh.
This is my best
Come
friend.
back. Hello. Lean on me. Lean on me.
Oromo radalan inkab no makhabira.
I didn't change it. Oh, maybe I'm bugging out. I don't know. Gav, thank you so much. Gav, thank you.
Thank you, Aya. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Love you. Have a nice evening.
Oh,
Bye.
no.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Ati bumaki ka ng garsa tubolo.
क्या हुआ तबीयत ठीक नहीं है
Where are you?
क्यों क्या हुआ हाँ?
Please, you mute your video. Where are you from?
इंडिया
Oh, I love Shah Rukh Khan. I love Shah Rukh Khan. CRK. What are these people? You are living in New Delhi or Mumbai? Jesse, you live in New Delhi or Mumbai?
इंडिया
Sayang Abdul.
डिस्कनेक्टेड
मेरी बहुत बहुत प्यार करता हूँ.
थैंक यू
या बहुत बहुत प्यार करता हूँ. मिस्टर शादी करोगे?
करें
और ये शादी में sini rumah gitu. Sini rumah. Yes, you are today you are very bored. What's wrong?
My heart is not good.
Why?
I don't know.
Udah mau zabati di situ, Pak? Nama jalan tempat.
Thank you, Black.
Please smile, don't cry.
I go now off live. Okay?
Malta selashi. Rako jira. Malta. Jira. Aragam. Jiru te tiar ga wani fuda no gurtu gurtu. Guys, Sadim Bais. Naziba. Namni Naziba sajira. Don't stress, okay? I'm with you. I love you so much.
Thank you.
Yes. Sharuk Nariel Tamas Lansi Fude. Malta, selamat tu kena beri jiran. Mal dan nakatiran. Galana mana di sini? Kau mera kau ikat daba pun. Serap Fude. Ma Fude burte dis. Fude buraji. Iru mau unda kare te barana. Yadin. Eddu gid. Mangkane addu. Filmi boy gitu. kan dumiyaa nurraa nuufa. Uumataati taate takka jaalallee turre fuudhe takka jiru qaatti qaalee. Don't think too much, okay? Don't stress. Never give up.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
God bless you.
Shau jirar bandu ne. Tumar godet. Tazian ko fofshe biza kayette. Wai. Yuro dunya tami